probably.
Hey, clear my front. My computer just alt-tabbed me.
Don't realize the wind's
It's
coming.
okay.
It's raining sideways.
Alright, it's back, it's back.
Alpha check in.
Do I have a blank face? Or do I have
Alpha 2, radio check.
You have stripes on your face.
Holy shit, look at
Across your
that
eyes.
cloud.
Alpha 1, here.
What channel are we on?
Look how fast the clouds are running.
How do I change that channel?
You shouldn't have to touch it, otherwise it's gonna bad one.
Let's go.
Use the TFAR
Yo.
filters, right?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Do I have cool camo?
I'm assuming you can.
Yeah,
because
hey,
you're
what's this on your arm? It looks like a Confederate flag.
Alright, that's the Novo Russia
Oh.
flag, I think.
supplies. I'm shooting stuff from you, alright?
Very red.
Hey, yeah, check if you have bandages on you, Blunt.
Guys, make sure you have bandages.
Copy.
Why are you so dark?
I do.
Nope. I got
Racist.
vehicle keys though.
Two bandages, one morphine.
Yep, you're good.
It's okay if I take my goggles off, right?
This wind is fucking nuts, isn't it?
I
The
don't
bullets are
have
just gonna go
bandages. Do you have bandages?
Let's go south a little bit.
If
away
you don't have
from,
bandages,
briefing.
medic's right here. Sounding off, doing the
I
way.
need bandages.
I do.
Hey,
I have
so
450
Alpha
rounds.
1,
I've
Mosaic
got,
and Blunt. Who's the AR?
Blunt's the
What
AR.
is
What's
the
the AR?
treatment?
Make sure, how much inventory space do you have? Because I hear some of the other fire teams are just,
Anybody?
the AR is giving up its
Still have to
bags.
figure out how to get
right away.
in game.
Never mind.
How did you get yours?
I'm halfway full, weight-wise, and I'm good.
How
in
many
space.
rounds you got now?
Ounce?
Like I took a sample
I'm
model
nearly half on
and
weight.
to
3,
to like
75
Ah,
rounds.
right
Right
here.
here.
We got
Three in the
62
backpack.
people.
I can figure out how to
I've
get
got
to
three
it.
for you also.
Like if you just have a simple version, send it to me now.
So
and
Blunt, I
I'm
have
glad you
three
like it.
extra,
Badge.
I have 3 extra magazines
Do,
for you guys.
do
so-
barrel
Make sure you have,
help in this game.
medical supplies.
yeah, then
each.
yeah,
Right, cool.
later.
Well,
Okay, good.
Alright.
This should be in
Yeah,
the
he
I
doesn't.
don't.
All
You
the
don't,
fire.
so take him on
Look how
the
dark
backpack.
Cabo is.
Who's the other fire team
A
leader?
little loud right now, that happens.
That's a very good question.
Yeah, right here.
Fire team leaders in Alpha, make sure you have medical supplies.
What is it? Is it typically 4 bandages, 1
675
morphine?
rounds.
That's 2 bandages, 1 morphine.
Say again?
I don't have any.
I mean, take as many
Do
as
we have a
you
medic here?
I don't
Look at those trees.
I'm right.
You have TL,
Yep,
Papa?
it's the middle of a hurricane. It's
Medics
supposed to be.
here.
Get it from your
Yeah,
medic.
but they look like 2D
Medic's right
objects
here.
being stretched.
Rich,
Dude,
yeah.
look at the rain going sideways.
Back and forth.
Yeah, dude, that's
I gotta
shot.
say,
We have a
Every
The fire
shot
team
is
Nist medic in Alpha. There's lots of knocked over trees.
walking through the village?
I think so.
I mean, I've taken an agriculture class before. You want me to take a look at it?
I need to beat up Toyota Hilux with a 50 caliber.
Look how
So
far
close to the
the
wind
bushes
connection
are getting
knocked
blown
over trees.
over.
Yeah,
They're like
that's
horizontal.
I love that 2D image just being stretched in one direction.
Stop that.
Well, looks like we're going up the hill, boys.
Just need a
the
shitty
wheel that
Toyota
does
Hilux
that.
with a
Oh, yeah.
Dishka on it. Come on, where is it? I like your optics.
Blunt,
sir,
check the map.
Wherever you are.
My optics
You
on the
like-
fire
We're the
team
far
lead.
left flank.
Yep.
It's
Why
a
you got
pretty
a
optic.
different camo?
It's
I
my
copy that.
pattern.
It's
to my
glory
guard
to
face
Russia.
stupid right now.
No, your
And now
camo,
on my
your
optic,
uniform.
it's just
I'm
a red
I guess it's just because I'm
uniform.
a fire team lead? I don't know.
Oh.
Fine.
Put glory to New Russia.
Hold
Your
still.
bandana is causing flicker.
Hold still.
Yes,
Whoa.
sir.
We're Alpha 3, right?
Sorry.
Alpha 1.
Such a shame.
I copy.
Being touched, I don't like
Check
it.
your backpack.
Since you have the AR,
Oh,
It's
God.
raining sideways.
you should be on
What
like
the
a
fuck?
left side of our formation, ideally.
Okay,
But
what's
the
in my
FTL might want something
backpack?
different. I don't
Good
know.
waste
Optic.
GP
We'll see.
stuff.
You might want me in the
You're
report,
right,
just
Jake,
to
you
go
want my
towards-
reflex?
towards-
Not really.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh my
but
God,
then again,
I
there's
can't
Alpha
do
2 and
that.
Alpha 3. You can cover that.
As someone who's lived through hurricanes, I can say that this is an accurate
Yeah,
description of a
because it's one
hurricane.
you
I love
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
You love it now.
It's worth it.
Best lead. I'm gonna
Like,
kill so
I'm
many
not
fans.
saying this
with
is
Jake.
exactly what a hurricane is
Absolutely.
like. Other
Just go
than the
over
fact
there,
that all
point
of
the
those
back
I
end
just like
towards
the iron
the
sights on
guys,
AK.
just fire the
Yeah, they are
GP.
pretty close. Permission
No,
to
you're
use
surprised, man. In the
iPads is more
Philippines,
than-
they can hold
Absolutely,
them
when we're in
pretty
contact.
Wait,
big.
does Backblast actually?
Yeah,
hurt
well,
people?
we
I
make
expect
building,
that from
there's
all my
buildings around here that are made out of
Because
palm
it's all
fronds
scripted
because they
damage,
withstand hurricanes really well. I
physical.
built those
Yes,
things.
yes.
Okay,
What?
also,
Yeah, what?
We're
I'd
doing
like to-
die
What
fashion
do
die.
I call you?
I'm gonna
sir?
be
Oh,
drinking,
okay.
Jesus,
so...
the bushes are flat.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Spain
I know.
is brain.
Yeah, if you
should-
look,
should fire the
if you
rocket.
look northeast,
That's
you'll
the
see
thing.
what they call
Into the
horizontal
wind,
rain.
yeah.
What?
Which
Spain
direction
is
is the wind?
brain.
Yeah,
Southeast.
that's actually what horizontal
Yeah.
rain looks like.
In Quinn.
Watch the rain.
Yeah.
Or
if you
hit K.
And we get big windstorms in the spring that are
I like how much
comparable
you
to
do
something
that
like
one
this.
regardless.
Wow.
Well, I mean, keep in
Tackle.
mind, if
That's-
this was actually
Thank
like,
you.
you wouldn't be able to stand up right now, probably.
Absolutely, Jimmy.
Yeah, with wind blowing this hard to throw the rain around like this. Yeah,
20 Celsius,
definitely.
at least it's pretty warm.
And
Except it was not built for that
look how
model.
fast
That's
the
for
clouds
Well, I
are.
do like how it like sticks up off the gun.
Have you
about
got a bunch
6
of
foot.
sure.
It's actually a
Yeah,
I've got
I
like
think
only
was
2
not
smokes.
set up for that.
Two
But
smokes.
Yeah.
My guy
Son of a
holding the
bitch,
gun
some
at
of the people
clutch
took
level
medical
was
supplies
just
to my
like,
smokes.
It's great.
It affects air density, which affects.
But look at this.
bullet
Look
drag.
at the clouds, Mosaic.
Is that
Wow, I just noticed that. Holy
I
shit.
don't think clouds are supposed to move that fast.
I think sometimes temperature can also affect like.
Fucking speed racer
Yeah.
clouds.
No,
Yeah.
hurricane
don't
clouds
think
do
that's
move pretty
really
quick,
right
but
now.
not that quick.
Oh,
No,
it also
no,
affects
not that
tornado
powder,
weather, yeah.
powder
Hurricane,
effects or
no,
something
yeah,
like that.
tornado. It's kind of like this, yeah.
And how
Also,
cold you
we
get.
would be underwater right now because
Georgia
there's
peaches flying
a body of
Powder
water right
effects
there.
is like, as the temperature changes,
It's not a
your
tornado. it's a
Maybe
twist.
there normally
I
isn't.
got 2 smokes, 2
Twist.
fires.
faster, slower.
You guys got how many you got?
Well, I mean, I
Come
got
on, barrels
6
faster,
faster,
so
on
so.
the wrong team.
This is really cool.
1 smoke,
wind effect, I
2
gotta
smoke, 2 of those close range big
Hey,
frags,
Samson.
1 of the small
In
frags.
the F to pay respects.
The RGNs, you can throw them like a fucking mile. But there is smaller explosions.
What a bitch.
Cypress?
Bonjour.
Yeah, you gotta love how we're new
How's it
Russia
going?
because we have our Russia patch and then.
So,
our Russia
Coleman,
patch.
you can carry the
Yep.
epinephrine?
It's rainy.
Yeah.
Wet.
It
I think
is.
that's what it's called. No.
And
I
what are
wish
they?
they
EU,
sounds.
Bilbo
Wraith is the medic for our squad.
We should actually.
Every squad will have a medic, and there might be a platoon level medic as well.
New Russia.
These are the
Silenced, right?
Alright.
uniforms.
So, 14 meters helix,
I
and
like when
CC.
new world conflicts open up. That gives us more armor content.
Ooh, there's some thunder.
Sus Jake and Papsmear are the other FTLs, and
Was
Antares
it
is
Pap smear?
He's talking about you.
They're talking
I
about
don't care.
awesome.
Take
Sorry,
that
she's
shit
the
Go over there and hit him.
squad
Oh,
leader.
making fun of you, Papa. You want me to go fuck him up?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
do.
copy.
What's up?
Somebody
It's
from
kind of a
30
joke
meters
name,
away.
so it-
What you talking about, Jimmy?
Now you go
Knock
punch
him over.
someone.
I was just asking who the FTLs were.
Yeah.
Helix, I see your lips moving, but I can't.
Hey, you.
If you go to briefing in Orbat, there's like a list there.
Hey.
Yeah, I was just laughing.
Yeah,
Pop quiz, what are the enemies wearing?
Or Helix?
Brown and green camo.
brown and green
What
woodland.
kind of weapons
That's
do they have?
how you know shit's going down.
Hey.
And Thor
And Thor
styles.
Legs.
Jungle
Yeah.
You both read the briefing, good job.
Of course we did.
As I
Yeah.
fly by you retreating.
Don't retreat. We advance in another direction.
Did someone shoot a rifle weapon thing? I thought I heard gunfire.
I like your
in-law.
double mags.
Thank
Right.
you.
Please kill
I'm a medic, I need
I
all
know,
the ammo.
awesome.
I don't know.
No, I
You got the
thought I
same
heard
thing
burst
as well.
It does actually do the animation where you turn it upside down, by the way, just so you know.
far away.
Really? For me, it doesn't. Reload.
Don't point your gun at me.
No, I have one as well.
Yeah, you do.
Start back blasting this
So you
game.
pull it out and then
Oh, yeah, you do.
Awesome.
Or Alpha 2?
Skadoosh, motherfucker.
Kind of looks
You notice my
Alpha, go ahead,
glasses?
group up on me.
Wow.
following the road. But
yeah,
we'll
you have.
see.
Alright, Alpha 1.
What glasses are those?
Ballistic glasses?
And then he runs away.
You want some goggles for your face?
Hold on, Alpha.
No, I'm good.
No, sir, I will not hold on.
Oh,
Petey, watch where you point that thing.
glasses, right?
It might go off in your hand.
Mosaic.
Nice.
You might want to
He's
get
been pointing it at me
glasses.
the whole time.
Why?
Alpha, listen up.
Because,
Is that Charlie too over
Shut the
there?
fuck up.
Alpha, listen up.
Oh yeah.
Alright, guys, briefing.
Look at your maps real quick. We have MMG2 with us as well, so we've got a lot of elements to kind of strong side this advance. Is MMG here? MMG2?
MMG, are you on this net?
I'm looking for Ghosty.
I'll go yell at them later. All right. So they're going to be trailing behind us. They're going to be on our net when we start moving. But our initial goal here is going to be to get on that hill marked MMG2 and clear the area north and east. After Bravo and Charlie get to their marks, we're going to step off. MMG2 is going to stay there or move with us depending on how aggressively we're able to push. If we're able to push aggressively, they'll push up with us. But the idea is for Alpha to clear the west side of that road and just push all the way up along that high ground into alongside the town, while Bravo clears the town itself and Charlie assists the clear of the town. Those A1, A2 mark or 3s, they're kind of broad. That second set of marks, I'm kind of want to stopping. There's a pretty good ridge that stops our advance into town.
Okay.
Marked at Alpha Second Ridge. That it's enough of a hill to shield the rest of the town from us. After that MMG2 mark, after we moved online to that Alpha Second Ridge, it's going to be a good hold point while we let the rest of the squad get online and start clearing their sides of the buildings, alright?
Okay.
Sounds good.
Copy.
I go find MMG2.
Make sure you
Do
turn
us
off
a
your map
stage
textures to see the.
Do you want us to stage somewhere, ISL?
Yeah, stage up the road. Get in the line. Our squad call.
Let's go, Alpha 2.
Right off one, let's move.
Alpha 2, let's go. We're heading east.
Hey, Blunt, I'm gonna give you
Northeast.
okay?
East.
One minute.
It's the VIP. Look at it.
They will actually help if you're firing them.
I like your shirt.
All right, all
Thanks.
squad leads. Just so you're
Free
aware,
fedora,
VIP is going to be attached to my position if I go down. try and
Ah,
back up
yes,
to
Alpha 0 on me.
Radio check, Alpha.
Alpha 1's here.
Hey,
What TV you?
Alpha 3.
Alright, so we're left to you.
You only have 75 round magazines?
Yeah.
Alpha, let's move up to the edge of the houses here.
I think I've...
Stay off the side of the road.
Let's go, Alpha 2.
As soon as we make contact, go ahead and fan out into a line and start pushing up that hill, alright?
Roger, Alpha 1 is going to hold current position.
Doggy.
A2, we'll switch with you just because we're going to be on the far west.
Okay.
Hey Jake, will this site actually be accurate? Question.
No.
No?
I don't know.
Oh, that's encouraging.
I don't know, Jimmy.
Simply because I can't adjust it, I'm gonna put it in my backpack for now.
Okay.
I like to be able to change my ranging.
Alpha, I want you guys to give a squad high five for being the first ones.
Jiggy jiggy, high five.
Actually, Alpha, let's go ahead and advance online off the marks here. I expect that MMG2 hill to be occupied. Starting 1 to the west, 3 to the east.
What?
Get online.
We are online.
Yeah, we are online.
Hey,
Alright, Alpha, go ahead.
are there Charlies in the trees?
Get some nice, good spreading here.
No, Charlie's
There
behind
will
us.
be patient.
Hey, Helix squad, push further left.
Hey, Blunt, take the far
Doing it.
left then.
Yeah, Alpha, let's get online facing north. Alpha, move up north-northeast. Copy that.
Copy that, command. We'll clear the hill and hold there.
Alpha, clear up to this MMG2 mark and hold this ridge.
A1 copies.
A2, Lima Charlie.
MMG2 if you want to catch up with us.
Yeah, we'll do.
Be careful crossing this hill, guys. cover on this hill and set up, guys.
Now I'm going to take my left.
A3, if you can get eyes out east, northeast.
A3's looking east.
We're gonna have to push back into the boundary, guys.
Yep.
I'm gonna push up past these bushes and shit to the north so I can get better eyes on.
Stay low.
A1, bring it a bit further east. I don't want you straight out of bounds.
We know where we are. We'll be moving east from here.
Watch your spacing, red team.
Red team, watch your spacing.
Just checking the side with some binos.
A1 to ASL.
Send it.
Who's the VIP with?
He's with command.
Shots east.
Shot northeast.
That's hostile.
Alpha, start creeping forward northeast. Take it slow.
Tree to tree, Alpha 2.
East of us is Bravo, guys. Heads up.
I got muzzle smoke possibly to the northeast.
Shots due north Alpha 1.
Suppressive fire north.
A1 and 2, keep the fire up. A3, start moving north.
A3 copies.
Control pairs, A2, control pairs.
Hey, left, further left.
Green, we're moving up.
Yeah, right by this tree.
MMG2, if you can creep up to Alpha 2 and ASL.
Yeah, we'll do.
A2, your AAR is done.
Blunt, you got eyes on that HMG? Yeah, hit him.
A3 still moving up. We still have no contacts.
Back up.
Alpha 3, hold 2, start pushing.
MMG2 lead is down. He's dead.
Then get his radio. You're in charge.
I will again.
Yeah, maybe.
Red team, make sure you don't go any farther west or you're going out of bounds.
Let's go, Spaz.
2, once you get set, A1, start pushing.
Copy.
Let's do fire team bounce all the way up.
I think they broke contact.
Yep.
We outnumber them, so they would.
A2 is almost set.
Come on, Spazberry, gotta keep up.
They might try reverse slope defense on that hill.
Alright, I want everybody online pushing towards this next hill.
Alright. Let's
go.
move forward.
Northeast, right?
Yep.
Okay, 3, we're moving north. Let's try and get in line.
Alright, Alpha 2, we pushed north all 9. Weapons up.
Blunt, the direction you're watching is... Blunt, you're watching a direction that's out of bounds. They won't be there. Wow. Hacks.
Alright, keep pushing straight north, guys.
Take this ridge real slow.
Advise on compound due east. Looks to be empty.
Copy that, A3.
Switching down to Whisper, I got a dead
Alpha,
enemy
they're
right in
over
front
our
of me.
ridge.
Double tap. Double tap where you need to.
MMG2, if you can get up to ASL, we have a solid hit for you.
Alpha 2, stay low, crawl to a tree. To the northeast.
Alpha for MMG2. Alpha Medic is going to check on MMG2. Last I heard their leader was dead, but...
Green, I got guys on 2nd floor. Bearing 25.
Alpha 1 set on stage ridge.
Alpha 2, engaging targets attack.
Hey, radio, also, we were swapping radios around. We're coming up now.
Alpha 1 EI northeast. 300 meters.
ASL is a good spot for MMG.
I got contacts north of Alpha 2.
Alpha, hold still. Just start fighting back.
Blunt's hit.
If you see any clusters of infantry, Alpha, light them up with AT. Don't worry about saving it.
Mosaic, do we need a medic?
Yeah, he's unconscious. Yeah, I think we do.
We're going to get over to A1.
Copy, I'm on it.
Alpha 2 is 1 man down. Jake is dead.
Bang. Where's the casualty?
To the right, east, straight east.
Right here, over here.
I know. His right leg or something. I did his. Oh fuck! He died.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Blunt is dead.
A1 ready to push farther north.
I'm taking his gun.
missile just went down.
Okay, is he dead? Hey, Awesome, are you still good?
He disappeared off shack tech. He's done.
Fuck. Alright, this is A1 taking command. A2 head count, A3 head count.
A3 is 4 strong.
A3, are you spotting targets from where you are?
We got enemies in that 2-story with the balloon. Not balloon, umbrella.
We're trying to pull back a little bit. This is a bad position.
Oh, fuck.
It's gotten pretty laggy with the trees and shit. It's not server laggy, there's just FPS client side.
Well, I mean, the thing is, like, this would have worked better maybe if there was an incentive to make the VIP have to go up, like, through the shit and get out the other side.
He has to go into the town
Yeah, I
at
think
some
it's true.
point.
Okay,
He
but,
was
like, he
supposed to
doesn't
do
have to
something.
go in, like, until after all Infor is dead, potentially. So they could just send the entire Op4 force ahead and clear everything and then walk them through afterwards, after everything's done. Which is what they're
Didn't
doing.
see
It
shit.
was like,
Well,
yeah, they're like 20 feet in front
but,
of us.
I mean, if he ran in there right now, he'd just get domed.
Well, I know, but like the reason why the 2-1 ratio was supposed to be okay is because Infor only needs to kill the one guy to win. But if the one guy never gets anywhere close to them for them to have that opportunity, then they might as well not exist.
Well, except the 2-to-1 ratio is right. If, like I said, if you were just gonna attack and defend, it's and then he picked this town to just